Welcome back to Inspire AI, the podcast where we explore how artificial intelligence is reshaping our world and future proofing the way we live and work. I'm your host, Jason McGinty. Let me ask you this. What if your website could talk back? Imagine every visitor getting instant answers, personalized support, and seamless experience, all without you or your team lifting a finger. That's the promise of Chatling AI, a no-code chatbot platform that can turn your site into a 24/7 assistant. I recently had an experience building a chatbot. I spent several weeks adding in the bells and whistles using Langchain, LangGraph, Python. I added memory. I added semantic search. It was going to be amazing. And then I had to decide how I'm going to host it. I needed to figure out where to deploy it, and on and on and on. I must have spent weeks on this thing. And in my frustration of thinking about how to maintain this monstrosity I built, I decided to look up some really interesting options and found Chatling AI. There, I launched Chatling within 2 hours on our website, aireadyrva.com. There, you can actually go and use it. You can ask it great questions. You can pretty much discover anything that's on the website. Events, information about cohorts, contact information. You can even ask it, like you could any other chatbot, about AI context. Yes, I built it so that it would only provide AI context outside of the frame of reference, AI Ready RVA. We don't want to abuse our chatbots, right? So at its core, Chatling AI is an AI-powered chatbot builder that requires no coding knowledge. Instead of dealing with complicated integrations or hiring developers, you can train a chatbot on your own data in just a few clicks. That means you can upload your facts, documents, or even connect it directly to your website content and have it scrape whatever pages you want. The chatbot learns from your business, your tone, and your context. You can be selective about which large language models it uses. Unlike generic bots that spit out canned responses, this one actually knows your world. So what makes Chatling AI special? Custom training. You feed it PDFs, docs, website pages, and it builds a knowledge base unique to you. It has integrations which can easily embed it into your website or connect to platforms where your customers already are. You can customize it. You can control the personality, from tone of voice to branding, so it feels like your assistant, not a robot. In analytics, built-in insights show you what customers are asking most, so you can improve products, services, or messaging. All of this with zero technical background needed. It is amazing. Let's talk about some of practical uses for this. A small business, such as a coffee shop, could use Chatling to answer customer questions like, what's on the menu? Or do you offer catering? What are the hours of operation? This frees up staff from repetitive calls. E-commerce stores, like online shops, set it up for product recommendations, order tracking, handling common return questions. Nonprofits, like AI Ready RVA. These organizations use it as an always available info hub, helping communities or students get answers instantly. And of course, customer service teams, where larger companies deploy it to deflect repetitive tickets, so human reps can focus on complex issues. The common theme across all of these real-world applications is time saved and customers served. It reduces customer service costs. It makes support available 24/7. It builds trust with fast, accurate answers. And most importantly, it scales for you. Whether you're a solopreneur or an enterprise, Chatling grows as your needs grow. And remember, no code required. This levels the playing field, putting advanced conversational AI into the hands of small businesses and creators, not just big corporations with giant budgets. Of course, no tool is perfect, so here are some challenges and considerations. A chatbot is only as good as the data you feed it. If your content is outdated or unclear, guess what? Your chatbot will reflect that. And there's the human factor. Sometimes customers just need a real person. So Chatling is best used as a first line of support, with the option to escalate to humans when needed. With these considerations in mind, it's really about the balance of automation for efficiency and people for empathy. Chatling AI is just one example of where conversational AI is heading. Soon, we'll see these tools extend beyond websites into voice, multimodal interactions, even proactive assistants that can reach out to help you before you ask. The future is not about replacing human teams, but amplifying them, giving small organizations the same advantages as big ones. So let's circle back. Imagine your website is not a static brochure, but as a living, breathing extension of your team. That's what Chatling AI is offering today. A 24/7, no-code assistant that can boost customer engagement and free up your time. If you've been wondering how to start using AI in your business, Chatling is a great first step. No tech degree needed, no giant budget needed. Just smart, practical automation that works. Thanks for joining me today on Inspire AI. If you've enjoyed this episode, share it with a colleague or a friend who's curious about AI. And don't forget to subscribe. We've got more episodes coming that explore the tools and trends shaping the future of work. Until next time, I'm Jason McGinty, reminding you to stay curious, keep innovating, and always look for ways to future-proof your knowledge.